Hi, I'm Michael with Bike Friday, and we're looking at the rear hub drive on a Bike Friday New World Tourist. The rear hub is a great option because it just feels like riding a bike. You've got all of the power going through the rear wheel, like when you're pedaling normally. The faster you pedal, the more power gets used from the motor. So you feel in control. You're riding a bike, you just have more power and have more speed on top of what you're contributing already. The rest of the kit is battery pack under the seat. The controller box, that's the brains of the system, is here in another bag. And then there's a cadence sensor behind the cranks to tell the brains how fast you're pedaling. And then up here on the handlebars, we've got the console that lets you set the proportional amount of assist. So anywhere from 0 to 5, 0 is going to be a bike with no assist. And at 1, you got to spin those pedals pretty fast before you're using most of the assistance, all the way up to 5, where you start to notice the assistance right away at lower cadences and have the maximum top speed available from the bike. Obviously, lower numbers are going to use less battery power and give you a greater range, and higher numbers are going to give you more torque and more speed. So that is the rear hub e-assist kit. I guess the biggest disadvantage of this system is if you do already have, or you're imagining, a specialty drivetrain, like a belt drive or an internally geared hub, this rear hub motor is going to replace that internally geared hub and limit you to a chain system. The advantage there of a chain drive and a traditional drivetrain is we could add a front derailleur and a rear derailleur and have a very nice wide range geared on this bike, so you could ride this bike practically anywhere. So that's the rear hub Bike Friday e-assist kit. If you have any questions, comment below, give us an email, or give us a call.